Senator De Lima and the like is that they think because allegedly because President Duterte did not give due process daw dun sa mga napatay, because President Duterte did not give due process to those who were killed, and they assume that he killed them or he ordered them killed, he should not be given due process. That's my words, and I'm not twisting their words, because that's what they're posting, their group, no? Ang sinasabi nila, look at what they're posting. Bakit? Si Duterte ba binigyan ng due process? So that's not the kind of human rights activist I grew up with. So hindi naman ako umabot ng 60s, 70s, pero yung movement for human rights kasi 50s, 60s, 70s lumaki. And during that time, there were many hated activists in the human rights activists, because even the worst criminal, they would represent them and they would say na it's not a popularity contest.